Hello, hi everyone, this is Reet here again. I am back with our next design, as I promised you that we'll be coming up with new designs now in different varieties. Like I began with necklaces, next I'll be showing you fingerings, and in couple of days we will be coming up with some tops, earrings and so on, as the new year has begun. And now we have, like, our order was going on with the karigars, so we have bought up some new designs. And this necklace I would talk about, this is a Bollywood celebrity inspired necklace set. If some of you have seen these designs over Bollywood celebrities, we have got inspired from those necklace and bought something different and unique for you, so that you also can have the Bollywood celebrity inspired necklace set for yourself or for your business. As you can see, this necklace set also has 7 colors. A very pretty 2-layered necklace. Look at the design. All the AD necklace, triple A star cut stones, again the prong setting, the pure rhodium plating, base metal is used here, brass. And as I mentioned earlier also, because of the metal and the raw materials what we use, all the jewelries are very light weighted. You will have no problem wearing earrings or the big danglings anywhere, because these are so light weighted because of the quality maintained. And we need to maintain the quality, as you all know, like especially for our customers who are out of India, they are very quality concerned. To meet the requirements of our clients, we do only in premium quality as per their requirements. So let's begin with the colors to view them. First we'll start with mauve color, the purple one. Look at this beautiful necklace. You will have 3 big stones here as a pendant, joining the 2 layers. Again, then you will have 2 stones here. And now the earrings. Very pretty. Wear it with the necklace set, or just wear it if you want the earrings, because always we don't like to carry necklace. So sometimes if you want only the earrings, they are so beautiful that you can just carry the earrings too. Now this was the mauve color. Very incredible design. I'll surely buy one for myself too. Now next color is the full white, which is again very pretty. Look at the earrings, full white. I think it's very clear the shine and the glaze which these stones are giving. You all will get the chains also, the back chain. If it is a rhodium set, you will get the rhodium chain, and if it is a gold, you will get the 24 karat gold plated chain. Back chains are surely given once the parcel is, the order is done. Now the next color is the blue one, the royal blue. All the colors in this designs are looking so pretty. Look at the blue. The earrings. Now the baby pink. Very pretty again, the baby pink also. Now look at the red. Just give it a look. It's looking so pretty. It will really give you a celebrity look. It's giving a red or maroonish shade, I can say. The stiff, which will give you a very elegant look once you carry this necklace with any Indian, Indo-Western or western outfit. We design such necklaces that they don't give you a typical Indian look and you are only be able to carry with your Indian outfits. We always keep in mind to make such designs which you can carry out with any of your outfit, not any specific tradition or any outfit. Now the green one, though it's a traditional color, but it's a must. Green is always there. Very pretty, it's looking in the bottle green. Look at the earrings. Last but not the least, the mint green. Lovely mint green, which is in trend continuously. The earrings. So total 7 colors: green, mint green, bottle green, the maroonish red, baby pink, blue, mauve or the purple color, and the full white. So all the clients, I would request, those who are doing business, please book your orders now as it is limited in stock. And if you want, as I mentioned in earlier video too, if you want in gold plated or any other colors or in large quantities, you can surely give us the manufacturing orders. These can be done. As I mentioned, we are the manufacturers and wholesalers of CZAD jewelry. So let us know what are your requirements or if anything specific, as these designs have come in rhodium plated. If you want them in gold plated, no worries, just let us know what are your requirements, what are your color and plating requirements, or if you want from these, let us know how many pieces and all you want to book, because they are limited, as our regular clients have been picking up them in the video calls, who do business with us in regular video calls as the new stock comes in. So let us know and send me a message on WhatsApp number which is given below for further details as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Bye bye.